Hello, welcome back to Friday's yoga therapy class with me, Gisela. This practice today is designed for those of you who are perhaps undergoing treatment for certain conditions, or perhaps you are just coming through a short illness or managing a long-term illness and recovery. It's also great for those who are low in energy and perhaps you don't feel like your body is as strong or resilient as it once was. Our class today will be taken at a mindful, slow pace. It's very simple movements, so you can feel like you've moved, you've strengthened, to give you a little bit more of a lift, feel brighter and more motivated. Move within a range that feels comfortable. The fact that you're joining me today, you've got up, you've got ready, brilliant. Make sure that you have a chair, because most of our practice today will be using a chair. If you've not been well, have some water close by. Take some time out if you feel nauseous, and of course stop, come back to the video another time. It's always going to be here. We will start sitting on your chair. If you have a higher chair, then perhaps place something under your feet so that your hips and knees are in line. Make sure you're wearing comfortable clothing, nothing restricted, loose clothing, breathe easily, and we'll get started. Sat on your chair comfortably. I don't have a back on my chair, so if you do have a back, maybe you want to place a cushion, support your lower back. Otherwise, sit up tall, making sure that your feet are hip distance apart, ankles under your knees, and hips and knees are aligned. I invite you to close your eyes or lower and soften your gaze. Relax around your shoulders and your face. Lift your feet. Keep your heels on the floor. Just give your toes a little bit of a wiggle. And then slowly place your feet on the floor. Feel the mat beneath your feet, or perhaps you're just on carpet. I do suggest that you are on some sticky surface so your chair stays in place for your practice today, and that you have some warmth beneath your feet. Have your hands resting on your thighs or gently in your lap. And we'll start with 5 steady breaths in through your nose. Optional, exhale through your mouth or through your nose. And for the next few exercises, you can keep your eyes closed or open, whatever feels more comfortable for you. And place your palms facing up on your thighs. Sit up tall. Make sure that there's no rounding or slumping in your back. Just lift up. We're not purposely dropping our shoulders down. Just let them feel natural, relaxed and comfortable. Soften around your face, your jaw, your mouth. And again, eyes can be open or closed, palms facing up. On an inhale, widen and stretch your fingers and stretch your palms. And then on an exhale, just curl your fingers in towards your palms and squeeze. I invite you to do this 4 more times at your own pace. Breathe in to open and stretch. And exhale to close and squeeze. And then when you're finished, give your fingers a little wiggle. Relax your hands. Next, palms will face up on your thighs. On an inhale, lift your hands up a little bit, lifting them up. And imagine you're drawing energy up through your feet, through your legs, your body, and out through the crown of your head. And then turn your palms down. And as you exhale, lower your palms towards your thighs. And you're releasing tension back down into the earth. And as you feel your hands move down, feel your shoulders move down and your face relax. And your feet get heavier into the ground. 5 more like this. Breathing in, bringing energy up through your body. And then exhale, letting the tension leave your body. Softness comes in, tension goes out. Two more. And then when you're finished, relax and breathe normally, and maybe some heel raises, and your eyes may still be closed at this point, or perhaps you're ready to open them. And maybe a little stamping out, just in case your legs have gone to sleep. Okay, gentle wrist movements. Stretch your arms out in front, wrists and shoulders are in line. Imagine you're pressing up into a wall. Push, breathe in. On your exhale, flex your fingers and point them down to the floor. We'll do 5 more like this. Inhale, fingers up, push. Exhale, flex, fingers down. 4 more. Two more. Last one. Fingers up. And release. Little shake. A little wiggle of your fingers. Okay. And then again, push your hands forward like you're pressing into a wall. This time a little bit of external and internal rotation. On an inhale, just turn your fingers out to the sides and then down. And then push. And then exhale, bring everything back up. Breathing in. And breathing out. 4 more. If you've had enough, then just release your arms and rest. 1 more. And then shake it out. Okay, now we're going to move into our arms and our shoulders, and for this one I'm going to turn my chair forward so I've got some space. Again, make sure you're sitting comfortably. Bring your right arm up and out to the side And then just sweep your right arm over to the left, gentle turn, and then lift up into a arch, up and round. And then back down. Rest your right hand on your right thigh and let's go left side. Inhale, left arm, out to the left side. Sweep over to the right, up into a nice big arch, and then back down. Okay, let's keep going. Breathe in. Exhale, sweep your right arm to the left, and then inhale, up and round. And release. Inhale, left. Exhale, sweep. Inhale, up and round. Inhale, right. Exhale, sweep across. Inhale, up. And don't worry if you move your side body, move into this one as much as you feel, as much as your energy allows you today. Inhale, up. Exhale, sweep, and inhale up. We'll do one more to each side. Breathe in to the right, exhale to the left, inhale, up and over. Inhale, left, sweep to the right, big arch, inhale, up and over. And release. Have a sip of water and a breath break. Arms come forward, elbow release. Tap fingers to your shoulders. Breathe in, breathe out. 4 more. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in and breathe out. And as always, I've lost count, so let's just do one more. Breathe in and breathe out and release. Shoulder shrugs if that feels okay, or any other movement that you want to do. Breathe in, arms come up to the side, tap. So we'll do it out to the side, open and tap. 4 more. Breathe in, exhale to tap. 3 more. Last one. Inhale to open, bring your arms forward, tap. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. 2 more. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in and breathe out and release. Again, shoulder shrugs, arm shakes, finger wiggle, and maybe a little tapping with your feet. Arms up, out to the side. Breathe in. Exhale, elbows to rib cage. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. 3 more. 2 more. Last one. And release. Once again, I'll turn my chair to the side, but you can stay exactly where you are. Seated cat-cow, making sure you're sat in a comfortable position, knees over ankles, hips and knees aligned. Bring your hands behind your head, resting your hands at the base of your skull. Gentle back bend. Inhale, lift up. And then exhale, rounding your back, bringing your elbows together. Now, if you have any back issues at all, extension is better than deep flexion, so maybe you just come this far. Maybe it's more your shoulders that round than going all through your back into your lower back. I invite you to explore and work with your energy levels today and go as deep as you feel comfortable to go. Inhale, lift up. Pull your elbows back, and then on your exhale, gentle rounding as far as feels comfortable. Chin to chest or not. Open up, breathe in. Exhale. 4 more. Inhale up. Stretch across your chest and exhale to round, seated cat. And we don't have to do the full amount as well. If you feel tired and want to stop and rest, please rest. 2 more. And release. We'll take it into a twist. So bringing your left hand onto your right leg, and then gently, maybe you hold onto your chair, or for me, bringing my hand onto the top and round is more comfortable because of the type of chair I have. Come into any comfortable seated twist that feels okay for your shoulder. Look right, look to the side, or turn your head, look forward, or maybe over your left shoulder. So find a comfortable position for your neck. And then gently release, and let's go to the other side. Right hand on left knee. Taking it into a twist, look over your left shoulder, to the side, to the front, or over your right shoulder. And gently release, come back to center. I like this one. Seated marches, sitting up nice and tall. We are not going to bring our knees all the way up towards our chest because that will cause us to slump and maybe slouch. Gentle marches, slight core engagement here. Holding on to the edges of your seat or perhaps hands on your hips. That's it. Slight engagement, navel to spine. Steady breathing here. In and out. In a minute, we'll transition from marching to gentle straightening, lifting, kicks out. 4, 3, 2, 1, 1. Gently kick. Getting some movement into your knees. Feel this in your hips, and we're working our core a little bit. Pull back, navel to spine. Helps stabilize your back as well, lower back. You might find that you're tensing in your shoulders, so relax your shoulders, relax your mouth. Hold on to the sides of your chair or hands on your hips. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, what's next? we are going to do seated marches and some little elbow twists. Do as many of these as you wish. I'm aiming for 6 of most things. I may have miscounted in a couple, so forgive me for that. So hands at the back of your head, and then gently lift your right leg up, and then we're going to twist left elbow. Maybe they tap, but that might be too much, so just gently lean left elbow down towards your right knee, come up, and then bring your leg down. So we're not going to do it really quick like this. We're going to take it nice and slow and controlled. So when you're ready, sitting up tall, hands resting in the base of your skull, lift your right leg up, gentle twist. Maybe you tap or maybe you don't. Come up, center, leg down. Okay, that's 1. Left leg up, turn, tap or not. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, and 6. Okay, let it go. Have a little shake everywhere. Shake of your legs, shake of your arms. Let's take a moment, maybe have a sip of water, and just take a moment to breathe. And then we'll go to standing. Shift your chair so it's maybe towards the back of your mat or even at the top, but it's down one end so you've got some space for the rest of your body. And we're going to do a sort of down dog at the chair, but it's just more of a stretch. I'm going to take hold of the top of my chair, walk my legs back and just stretch. Keeping my head in line with my arms. I'm not sinking down. I'm keeping my head up. And then just more or less just really kind of pushing back into my thighs, my hamstrings. I have a slight bend in my knees, keeping my head up, but I'm looking down towards my toes or look down towards the seat of your chair. Breathe in through the side of your body and stretch as much as your energy levels can manage today. One more round of breath. And then slowly lift your head. Slowly come up. Then gently walk your feet in towards your chair. And then stand up. We're going to move into some curtsy squats. Start with the chair to the right side of you. Heavier on your left foot. Keep hold of your chair for this one. Or perhaps if you have a wall to the side of you, you're facing the right side of the wall, you have your hand steadying yourself on the wall. Okay, standing up nice and tall. Again, we always have a little bit of engagement. Pull your navel in towards your spine. Squeeze your glutes for this. Support your lower back. This is a little bit of strength building. Inhale, lift your right knee. Doesn't have to be really high. Just hovering your right foot above the floor. Then we're going to sweep our right leg back behind our left leg. Right toes on the floor, right heel lifted, and gently come into a curtsy squat. Left hand can be on your hips. And you can take your squat as high or as low as you wish. Just be careful. Controlled movements. Come back up. Breathe in, right leg up. Exhale, sweep back and down. Inhale, up and forward. Let's do 5 more. controlled movements, thinking about each aspect of this. Up, forward, right foot on the floor, right knee up, sweeping back, little squat, up and forward. Okay, inhale, left leg up, heavy in your right foot, holding onto your chair, sweep your left leg behind, left heel lifted, gentle squat, come up and round. 5 more. Standing out of the way, let's move back to our chairs. Coming gently down on your chairs for a little stretch. Keep your right knee bent, ankle under your knee, stretch your left leg out, maybe a little bit towards the edge of your chair. Left toes up towards the ceiling. Rest your right forearm on your right thigh and maybe reach for your left toes or your left ankle or shin. And we'll come into a gentle hamstring stretch. Look down towards your right toes. Breathe into the back of your body. And then gently release. Come up, let's swap sides. Gently release and come back up. Make sure you are sitting comfortably on your chair. Cushion supporting your back. And I invite you to sit maybe a little bit further so you have a little bit of support from your chair into the back of your shoulders. Have your feet on the floor, hip distance apart. Hands resting in your lap or on your thighs. I invite you to close your eyes or soften and lower your gaze. Gently drop your chin a little bit towards your chest. Relax your face and your shoulders. Feel your breath moving slowly in through your nose and out through your nose. Feel that connection, feet to the ground beneath you, foundation, firm and strong, supporting you. And I invite you to think of one positive thing a compliment to give yourself today. And then when you're ready, open your eyes or lift your gaze. I thank you for showing up today, giving yourself some care, even though you may not have felt like it. I hope that you feel better after this practice. I hope you feel maybe a little bit more motivated. I wish you well, and I hope to see you next week. Take care. Have a lovely weekend.